Hello everyone, welcome to LingoVerse Academy. My name is Beck and here I teach you English for Elementary series by Oxford. In the previous video we'll learn pronunciation, listening and speaking of Unit 1C. In the future we'll be releasing all these videos on YouTube for you guys absolutely for free. So please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to not miss any future videos. In this video we're gonna learn grammar. Let's get immediately started. Today we'll learn possessive adjectives. What are possessive adjectives? Look at this sentence. I'm Italian. I'm Italian. So I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These are pronouns. Okay? Possessive adjectives are here, guys. Look at here. So I'm Italian. I'm Italian. And if something is mine, we say my. Okay? My family are from Rome. My family are from Rome. Next one. This is your classroom. This is your classroom. The classroom belongs to you. Okay? His name is Michael. His name is Michael. So the name Michael belongs to him. Okay? Michael is his name. Let's move on. Her name is Tina. Her name is Tina. So the name is her. Her name is Tina. Its name is English house. Its name is English house. Our students are from Europe and Asia. So we becomes our. Okay, we becomes our. We are students. We are students. Our teacher is Gloria. Our teacher is Gloria. Okay, the teacher is ours. Okay, let's move on. They becomes their. They becomes their. Okay, they are French students becomes their names are Luke and Mary. Now let's summarize. I'll read pronouns and you read possessive adjectives. Let's move on. I, my, well done. You, your. He, his. She, her. It, its. We, our. They, their. Well done, guys. Let's do exercise A. Complete the questions with I, you, my, or your. Look at the first sentence. Where are from? We write you. Good job. Where are you from? Where are you from? Number 2. From Buenos Aires. From Buenos Aires. We write I. Right? I'm from Buenos Aires. Number 3. What's your name? Well done. What's your name? Okay. Number 4. My name is Michaela. My name is Michaela. Here, I's possessive adjective is my, and you's possessive adjective is your. Okay? I, my, you, your. Well done. We use possessive adjectives for people and things. For example, my family are from Italy. My family are from Italy. My car is German. You definitely love German cars, huh? Or are you into Japanese cars? Or maybe you are more into Italian or American cars? Let's see it in the comments below. We use his of a man and her of a woman, okay? So if it's a man, we use his. It's a woman, we use her. It's of a thing. Their of people or things. Possessive adjectives don't change with plural nouns. For example, we say our students. We don't say ours students, okay? This is wrong. We say our students. Now, it's or its, okay? Here, both words are pronounced as its. It's, okay? But writing is different. Be careful with it's and its. It's quite funny. It's equals to it is. This it's equals to it is, okay? It's a school. It's a school. It's Spanish. It's Spanish, okay? It without an apostrophe is possessive, okay? Its name is English house, okay? This is possessive. Its flag is red and yellow. This it without an apostrophe is for possessive. And this it with an apostrophe, you can see it here guys, is a short form of it is. It is. Well done. Now let's do exercise C where we need to listen, change the sentences. Let's go. Let's start listening.
1.44. 1.
I'm Matt.
My name's Matt.
My name's Matt.
2.
You're Sally.
Your name's Sally.
Your name's Sally.
3.
Hi.
We're Mike and Mia.
Our names are Mike and Mia.
Our names are Mike and Mia.
4.
He's Ben.
His name is Ben.
His name's Ben.
5.
They're William and Harry.
Their names are William and Harry.
Their names are William and Harry.
6.
She's Carla.
Her name is Carla.
Her name's Carla.
Well done guys, great job. We are finished doing this page. Let's move to another one. Here let's look at these photos of Snoop Dogg and Shakira. Are they real names? What's their real names? Do you know it? Now let's listen and check it out.
1.45.
Snoop Dogg isn't his real name. His real name is Calvin Cordoza Broadus. He's American.
Shakira is her real name. Her full name is Shakira Isabel Mebarak Ripoll. She's from Colombia.
Now we have a very interesting exercise for us to do it together guys. You will be student A, I will be student B. Okay, you ask questions about the people you don't have information about. Okay, I will ask you questions about the people I don't have information about. For example, look at the first one. Daniel Craig, actor. I believe you know him by the name James Bond, right? You don't have information about him, so you ask me, is Daniel Craig his real name? I say, yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay? If I say, no, it isn't, you ask me again, what's his or her real name? Let's move on. Okay, you ask, let's go with Jay-Z. Ask me, please. You say, is Jay-Z his real name? I say, no, it isn't. Then you ask me again, what's his real name? How do you spell it? I say, the real name is Sean Carter. Let's move on. Now you ask me about Kate Blanchett. You say, is Kate Blanchett her real name? I say, yes, it is. Yes, it is. Good job. Let's move on to Helen Mirren. Is Helen Mirren her real name? I say, no, it isn't. No, it isn't. You ask me again, what's her real name? What's her real name? How do you spell it? How do you spell it? I say, her real name is Ilyana Mironov. Let me write it for you guys. Let's move on. Now I ask you about the people I don't have information about. Let's get started. Let's start with Leonardo DiCaprio. Is Leonardo DiCaprio his real name? Yes, it is. Well done. Is Pink her real name? No, it isn't. What's her real name? How do you spell it? You say Alessia Moore. Alessia Moore. Okay? Alright, here, Alessia Moore. Let's move on. Wow, here we have Nicolas Cage, actor. Is Nicolas Cage his real name? No, it isn't. What's his real name? How do you spell it? You say Nicolas Coppola. Nicolas Coppola. Very interesting. The last actress here, Dakota Johnson. Is Dakota Johnson her real name? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Well done, guys. Absolutely wonderful. We have finished doing grammar exercises. If you're still here and watching, enjoying our video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In the next video, we're gonna learn writing. It's gonna be very interesting, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.